Hello guys, I'm here once again with another legit update that I want to share with you guys. And of course, this one is actually the OxO AI Smart Contract that will be listed on Bitget in few days time. And of course, you can see this is actually the announcement where you have to participate in the current going launch pool on this OxO Smart Contract in order to partake in the sharing of what 869,000 SOX token. And of course, it is very easy for you to participate. And of course, if you have been following my videos, you will know that I have always been making videos around this particular launch pool and launchpad where you make good amount of money even without investment. So once you come to this place, of course, you can see this is the announcement here. Just have to take your time to read it and follow every instruction in order for you to get rewarded. And you can see that this particular launch pool will start from 11th of July, which is actually today, and is actually going to end on the 16th of July. And you can see that there are a lot of activities. This is activity 1, and this activity 1 is actually for launch pool existing users. This simply means that for those who have actually participated in Bitget Launchpool before now, then this is the particular one that they need to come and follow. Of course, I'm going to be showing you how to go about that in the course of this video. And then if we go down again, you can see that the activity 2 here has to do with categories of those who have not actually participated in any launch pool on the Bitget platform before now. And of course, what are the requirements? Look at it here. If you can see it here, the only requirement you need is that you must be a registered user on the Bitget platform, and then you must have done your KYC verification. And for those of you that might be watching this video who have not actually registered on the Bitget platform, please, I will advise you, just go ahead, use the link in the description of this video. You're going to see the first link there. Use it, get your account registered, verify your account. And KYC verification is very easy. With any valid means of identification, your email address and phone number, your account will be verified. So once your account is verified, then you are good to go in order to participate in this particular launch pool. And this is one of the benefits you always get as a Bitget user. In number 2 here, of course, you can see here that users can stake up to 30,000 BGB for each activity. Whether you are participating in the activity 1, you are entitled to stake up to 30,000 BGB. Whether you are also participating in the activity 2, you are also entitled to stake up to 30,000 BGB. And then on the number 3 here, of course, you can see number 3 has to do with users reward, and this is how you are actually going to be rewarded. So instead of actually allowing that your BGB or that your USDT to be lying idle on your wallet, use it, convert it to BGB, and then participate in this particular launch pool. So you can even take your time and go through all of these, their terms and conditions, so that you understand every bit of it. So once that is done, once you are done, the next thing you need to do for you to get started, once you want to get started, the next thing you need to do is to go to the description of this video. You will see the link there, the first link there. Just click on it. So once you just click on that particular link, it's actually going to bring you to this particular platform where you are seeing on my screen now. That is where it's actually going to bring you to, and here is where you are actually going to be staking your BGB token in order to gain a reward. Of course, you can see that we still have 4 days to go. Just as I told you that this particular launch pool is actually going to last for 5 days, and we have 4 days 20 hours to go. So the earlier you join this launch pool, the better for you, and you're actually going to get rewarded for actually joining early enough. So once you are here, please pay very good attention to what I'm going to say now. Once you are here, if you are a new user, you have not used Bitget Launchpool before now, then just come to this first one. This is where you are going to be staking. Just click on this particular first one here where you have stake here. That is if you have never used Bitget Launchpool before now. Please, if you don't follow the instruction, they are not going to reward you. So make sure that you actually follow the instruction as I'm giving it to you. But if you have actually used Bitget Launchpool before now, please don't use this first one. Just scroll up here. Once you scroll down, you are going to see the second one and then this is the second one. So this is the one we are going to be using. And for people like me who have actually used Bitget Launchpool over and over and over again, so this is where we are going to be using, and not the first one. And if you even look at this place very well, you will notice that they even specify it that this one is for BGB beginners pool. Of course, you can see it here. So for me, I'm not a beginner. I've been using their launch pool before now. So I'm going to go to this particular one and click on stake, of course. So once I click on this stake, it's actually going to bring me to this interface where I'm going to be staking my BGB. Of course, you can see this is where you will stake the amount of BGB you want to participate in this launch pool with. And then here is the details of the launch pool that we are actually going to participate. And you can see that the stake coin that we are going to be using to stake is BGB. And of course, you can see that today's pool reward is 152,000 OXO token. Of course, you can see that a lot of persons have even started participating on this particular launch pool. And then the farming period, that is the period of time that your token will be locked before they reward you, is 5 days. This simply means that once the token is locked, you cannot actually use it for trading, neither can you withdraw it. So it's going to be locked for this period of 5 days, and after that you are going to be rewarded, and then they will also return back that your token back to your wallet. So you can see that it's have 4 days to go before the ending, and the price pool return on investment is actually going to be 0.029%, and individual limit is 30,000 BGB, meaning that an individual cannot stake more than 30,000 BGB. So that is the maximum a single person can actually stake in this particular launch pool. So what I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on max. I'm going to click on max here because I want to use all the BGB I have on this wallet to stake. But peradventure you don't want to use all the BGB you have, you can simply come to this place and put the amount here. So you can come here and type that you want to use, let's say 100 BGB. And once that is done, you can just come to this place here below here where we have confirm and click on it. But for me, I'm not actually going to be using 100 BGB. I'm going to be using my total balance. So I'm click on max. Of course, you can see that the total BGB I have here has shown, which is 258 BGB. That's what I'm having for now. So once that is done, then the next thing I need to do is that I'll just come down to where we have confirm here. I'm just going to click on this confirm that you are actually seeing here so that it will take effect. Of course, you can see it's processing. Let's just give it a little time and see. It's still processing. Boom, you can see amount stake successfully. So I have successfully staked my 252 BGB, and now of course you can see that it has started farming. If you watch, this place is now moving, showing you that is already farming. So if I add more fund and I want to stake more, I will still come to this place and click on it. So that is how you can be able to partake in this particular launch pool. If I also go ahead and click on this stake here, and of course you can see, look at my asset here. This is the total amount I just take now, which is 258 BGB. And of course, on the return on investment, you can see it is still on 0%. And this is because I just staked now. If I come back a couple of hours or probably by tomorrow, you are going to see that it actually have increased, and my total yield will also must have increased. And I can even decide whether to redeem it or leave it till the end of this particular 4 days 19 hours. So just go to the description of this video, click on that link so that you can go ahead and stake immediately before the time runs up. And if you don't even have BGB on your account, you can also come to this place, click on buy. It will actually going to take you to the BGB trading platform. Let me show you. Once I click on buy, it will take you to BGB trading platform, and from here you can buy your BGB, which you can use to stake. And all you just need to do here is to go ahead and use your USDT to buy the BGB. Of course, you can see this BGB USDT, but if you don't even have USDT here, it's very simple. Just go and send USDT from your Binance, from your KuCoin, from your BYBIT or your Trust wallet, wherever you have USDT. Send it to this particular platform, and then you can use it to buy your BGB. And once that is done, you can go ahead and stake your BGB, so that you are actually going to be rewarded at the end of these 5 days. So this is practically how you can participate in this Bitget Launchpool to earn free massive income at the end of the day. Thank you once again for watching this video. Remember, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button for me. Turn on the bell notification icon, so that whenever I release an update on these various ways you can earn free massive income online, you are going to be notified. Also, do well to like this video, share this video, so that it's actually going to help others to make money online. Thanks once again. See you in my next video. Bye for now.